Now in this video I took one more example, and this example I am going to show you, going to solve it with the help of quadratic formula. So as in the last two videos we have seen how we can solve it with the help of quadratic formula. The similar way I need to start it over here. So this equation I need to compare with the standard form, compare with standard form. Okay, what is the standard form? Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we can see it over here. Here before 1 or in front of x square you can't see it, means the number will be 1. So the a value is going to be the 1. Here before x is -3 and here before x is b. So the b value is going to be -3, and here the constant term without x is -10, and downside the constant term is c. So the c value is going to be -10. Okay, now I will write the values. A is equals to 1, b is equals to -3, and c is equals to -10. Now I need to write the formula, quadratic formula. This is -b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, now I need to plug in these a, b, c value in this formula. Okay, so negative, and the b value is also negative, so I need to write inside the parenthesis, because when the parenthesis will get open, this negative times negative will become positive. Okay, this is -3 whole square, 4, a value is 1 and c value is -10. So that also I will keep it inside the parenthesis. Okay, upon 2, a value is 1, so 2 times 1. Okay, when you will open this, negative times negative is +3 plus minus, okay, -3 square, -3, okay, -3 square, I'll do it over here, rough work. -3 square means negative times -3. Negative times negative is positive, so the sign is going to be positive, and 3 times 3 is 9, so this is going to be -3 square is going to be. Okay, now here you can see 4 times 1 times negative times 10, so this negative and this negative will become positive. Okay, now I need to multiply the number 4 times 1, 4, and then 4 multiplied by 10 is 40 upon 2. Okay, now 3 plus minus, that is going to be 49 upon 2. Okay, now 49 means what? 7 times 7 upon 2. Okay, so 3 plus minus the square root, this number is in pair, the number itself, one number itself will be the outside. Okay, upon 2. Now I need to this separate out, because one time I need to solve by taking positive sign and one time I need to solve it by taking the negative sign. So I'll solve it out over here before you. 3 plus 7 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2. 10 upon 2 means what? 5. Okay, second time I need to take negative number upon 2. 3 -7 means what? -4 upon 2, and by 2 you divide this -4, so -2. So the x values we are going to get, 2 x values we are getting over here. Those x values are x equals to 5 and x equals to -2. So I need to write the solution set. Solution set inside the curly braces, I need to write these values which you are getting. First negative and then +5. So here we are getting 2 values. Why 2 values of x we are getting? Because equation degree or power, highest power is x is 2. So when you solve the quadratic equation, always you will be getting the 2 values of the x. Those 2 x values could be repeated, like in the last video we have seen the x2 values, we will be getting the same value. here we are getting the different value, -2 and -5. So the x will always have in the quadratic equation two values. Those two values could be repeated, could be same, could be different. We see one by one, all the examples. Thank you.